What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing and we're going to check out something that I watched a video on, and I haven't bought a watch in a while. You notice I don't wear one. But this caught my eye. I was about to drop some major money on a blue sea dweller type, and yeah, we've got a Casio. And here it is. So we're going to do a review here, fresh out of the box. So give you a little holder here. That's kind of cool. And let's take a look. I'm going to take the plastic off. Helps if I hold the watch up the right way. So here we have it. This is the Casio. The heck is the model number? That's not the model number. Here we go. This is the model number. It's the MDV-106 1AVCF blah blah blah. Anyways, this is the one with the marlin on it. It's good down to 200 meters, so you can actually go diving with it. The bezel does move. I'm going to put that close to the mic so you can hear it. Very satisfying. And I watched a few videos on people upgrading it, changing the band. But dude, got 50 bucks. 50 bucks on Amazon. Very, very nice. I like it. So I've owned very expensive watches, and I just wanted one to kind of wear and not worry about. So let's get it on the wrist here. I'm a bigger dude too. I'm 6 foot. I wear like a size 9 glove for goalie type stuff, but playing soccer. Very, very beautiful watch. Very comfortable. I've had $1,000, $2,000 watches like the Longines, and one that had a metal band, and I noticed the metal band was very fatiguing. So probably got this on a little too tight. Let's see if we can take it down a notch. And I watched some other videos on people like, that's a little loose. That's a little more comfortable though. Wow, that's really, really, really comfortable. So there it is on wrist. I don't know, what do you guys think for 50 bucks? What I also like too is I got it from Amazon, and because I'm Amazon Prime, I wanted it, and they offered it to deliver it same day within hours. So you have to get up, click a button, and watch a watch appear. So wow, this is really nice, guys. So there are some upgrades you can do. You can obviously change the band, although I think the band is very comfortable. No need to change it, but it is very easy. You just need a tool, and you get in here to snap the band holder here, and you can easily find accessories for it. I've seen guys take the watch completely apart, take the mineral glass off, and replace it with sapphire glass. Sapphire glass, at least here in Illinois, if I were to order some from Amazon, about 25 bucks, and you can get sapphire with a red tone to it, sapphire with a blue tone to it, and then you can get the clear. But dude, who cares, guys? It's $50. Leave your watch alone, right? So I think it's a beautiful watch. I'm gonna wear it a lot, and if it gets scratched and ugly, I will sell it used for probably half the price. No one has a used one on eBay right now. And guess what? I'll just buy another one. So seriously, for $50 or for the cost of, taking a significant other or a friend out for a nice lunch or dinner, you can have this watch yourself. So there are sellers on eBay that sell it for $51. Casio, there is an actual Casio store on eBay. And the nice thing too is because it's $50, you don't have to worry about a China knockoff. Like someone is not going to try and recreate this watch for cheaper. So that's the other thing that freaks me out about more expensive watches. As soon as you get $500 to $1,000 or more, you got to watch out for those fakes. So again, just click on buy it from Amazon, and there you go. The battery's supposed to last 3 years, and it is real stainless steel. Keep holding it upside down. But let me know what you guys think. Oh, and then you know what? Since I have a microscope here, let's scope it out and see how detailed it is. But I think one of the complaints is that the second hand doesn't actually hit the notches. So, but again, who cares? This one's pretty close. Yeah, it's doing a good job. So that's the other thing. Some people are like, oh, it doesn't actually hit the notches correctly, and it like bothers people. But I'm like, dude, really? It's a $50 watch. I'm just glad it works and looks nice. But it feels like an expensive watch. It does not feel like a $50, piece of junk. And I've bought the replicas. I actually bought the cheapest watch on Amazon and did a review on it. I think I did like a short on it. And this feels like an expensive watch. This feels like a $1,000 plus watch as far as weight goes. So it's not a light POS, if you guys know what I'm saying. So anyways, let's get the scope out here. Might as well, right? While we're having fun. Because I don't think anyone's done this either. So let's adjust this up. And let's check out the details here. Wow, that's really zoomed in. Let me turn the lights off here. So what are we looking at? Oh, we're looking at the top of the crown. So look at that. Like, that doesn't look crappy, right? So people will use these type of scopes for Rolexes because you can't see with the naked eye, but you can see if like the lettering is off or if things weren't looking very clear. But yeah, you can get into detail here. Here's the side. So the paint job's nice. The markers all look intact. Let's look at the marlin here. Dude, that's nice. I don't see like any errors. That's a very, very clear, very well done Japan movement. Seriously, $50. That's pretty cool. And what else can we look at? We can look at the date here. Sorry, I'm holding my camera at a crappy angle. But yeah, let's get that focused in here. And it's actually it is the 11th. Well, it's the 12th today, so it's close enough. There's a little second marker going by, which looks very nice and clear and clean. I'm telling you what, man, for $50, you're not gonna find anything like that or like this. All right, so what time is it? Don't know, but let's see how easy. Ooh, we got some luminescence. Did you see that? It does have luminescence. Oh, we can turn this off. Yeah, look at that. It glows. Wow. I forgot about that feature. It's pretty cool. And that's very helpful too if you're coming out of a dark area or coming out of a light area then instantly going to a dark area. You can still tell the time. Though, so there's no like little light button on this one. Anyways, let's get our let me get my lights back on. So I think you just turn it, was it counterclockwise? Yep, that's very nice, very smooth. And then I think you pull out a little bit. It stops it. There we go. We are setting our watch here. You know what? This is a lot smoother than my $2,000 Longines. All right, so what is it? It's like 10 o'clock something. I don't even know what time it is. Time's on my cell phone, right, guys? All right, well, let's push this back in and then screw it down all the way so that it's waterproof. Yeah, and this feels really high quality. Like I don't feel any friction. I'm not like killing my fingers trying to unwind it. It's also smooth to the touch, so there's nothing scratchy here. Sometimes some of the watches, as soon as you use this, it's like you're grinding away on your skin, and it hurts. It actually hurts to set your watch. We don't want it to hurt to set your watch. And I've never gone diving, but supposedly you're supposed to like do this, and then that tells you how much time you have left on your air tank before you die. Right? That's what this is for. But what a cool watch for $50. Highly recommend it, guys. So appreciate you guys watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Check out the channel. I usually do like coins and reselling on eBay and other fun stuff too. You know, do it yourself, fixing stuff on my car, all that good stuff. So it's a fun channel. I appreciate you guys watching. As always, please like, share, subscribe. And man, if you got $50 laying around, pick this bad boy up. I'm gonna be wearing this a lot, and I will come back later on and show you the trials and tribulations of wearing this as much as I can to see how it holds up. And like I said, if it stops working or it gets too scratched up and looks ugly, just throw down another $50 and sell this one for parts for half. All right, appreciate you guys watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.